Picture this, as you stroll down the aisle of your local market, surrounded by products that once seemed like far-off dream, from self-driving cars to smart homes, technology has made the impossible a reality. But have you ever stopped to consider the process behind the products you use every day? The manufacturing industry is crucial to our daily lives, but little do we know that it's undergoing a massive overhaul, a revolution powered by technology and innovation, paving the way for a world of endless possibilities in manufacturing. Welcome to the fascinating realm of manufacturing digital transformation, a world where machines and human workers collaborate to produce best quality goods with speed and precision, where real-time data analysis guides every decision leading to improved profitability and reduced waste. The ultimate reality of manufacturing 4.0 is taking place right now. You might be wondering why we're talking about manufacturing today and what exactly this concept entails, but let us tell you, this is a revolution that'll change the way you look at the products you use every day. In today's video, we're going to discuss transformation that goes beyond just the process of manufacturing and will have a ripple effect on the products and technologies that you interact with on a daily basis. So be prepared to see things in new light as we delve into the exciting world of manufacturing digital transformation. But let's first understand what of the manufacturing digital transformation. The term manufacturing digital transformation has become increasingly prevalent in recent years. But what does it exactly mean? Simply put, digital transformation in manufacturing refers to the integrating of cutting-edge technologies and processes into production line to drive efficiency, improve quality, and increase competitiveness. Think of it as a revolution in the manufacturing industry, a complete overhaul of the traditional production process, taking it to a whole new level with integration of advanced technologies. Imagine a world where machines talk to each other, predict when they need maintenance, and work together to increase efficiency. That's what manufacturing digital transformation is all about. By utilizing the product of IoT, big data analytics, and other innovative technologies, manufacturers can gather and analyze massive amounts of data to make informed decisions. This leads to streamlining of operations, reducing waste and inefficiencies, and ultimately driving a superior product to customers. As we all know, in today's fast-paced world, it's not enough to just keep up with the competition. Businesses need to get ahead of the curve. Think of it as the perfect storm of technology, competitiveness, and consumer demand. The manufacturing industry is in a dire need of change, and that's where manufacturing digital transformation comes into play, giving manufacturers the tools to achieve their goals and remain at the forefront of the industry. Now that we know what manufacturing digital transformation entails, are you ready to discover the forces behind manufacturing revolution? From technological advancements to the need for increased competitiveness, the reasons behind the demand for digital transformation in manufacturing are both exciting as well as illuminating. So fasten your seatbelt as we embark on this journey of discovery, as we delve into the driving forces behind the revolutionary movement. Okay, first and foremost, technology advancements have made it possible for manufacturers to gather and analyze vast amounts of data in real time. With the Internet of Things and big data analytics, manufacturers can make data-driven decisions, streamline processes, and ultimately increase efficiency. This leads to a better product and higher customer satisfaction. Secondly, increasing competitiveness in the market is another driving force. In order to stay ahead, manufacturers must find ways to improve operations, and digital transformation is the answer. It helps manufacturers remain at the forefront of the industry, delivering a better product to the customers and outperforming the competition. The third factor is the need for increased transparency and traceability in the supply chain. See, digital transformation allows for real-time tracking of materials, products, and processes, ensuring that the manufacturers can meet regulatory requirements and provide customers with complete transparency. Additionally, the need for better collaboration and communication is also driving digital transformation in the manufacturing industry. With digital technologies like augmented reality and virtual collaboration tools, manufacturers can work together seamlessly no matter where they are in the world. Finally, consumer demand is is also playing a key role in driving digital transformation. See, customers expect highest quality of products delivered quickly and efficiently. By utilizing digital transformation, manufacturers can meet these demands and ensure customer satisfaction. And there you have it, from technology advancements to consumer demand and everything in between. The driving forces behind digital transformation in manufacturing are truly fascinating. But that's not all. The benefits of digital transformation in manufacturing are just as captivating. But don't just take our word for it. The results of digital transformation in manufacturing speak for themselves. So let's look at a few real-world examples on how digital transformation is transforming the manufacturing industry and delivering tangible benefits to real customers. Number one, we have Toyota. The automotive giant has been on the forefront of digital transformation, turning their production line into a well-oiled machine. With the implementation of Industry 4.0 technologies, Toyota has been able to revolutionize their manufacturing process, making it not just efficient but also sustainable. Their investment in digital transformation has paid off in form of increased production, speed, and reduced waste, and elevated the product quality as well. With a focus on innovation, Toyota continues to be a trailblazer in the automotive industry. Alright, let's look at the second example, and this one is 3M. The multinational conglomerate is no stranger to innovation, and they're taking it to the next level with digital transformation. By utilizing the big data analytics, 3M has been able to enhance every aspect of their production process, from product design to delivery. The results: a more efficient production line, improved product quality, and a streamlined supply chain. 3M is setting the bar high for others in the manufacturing industry, showing how digital transformation can truly drive innovation and competitiveness. The next example on our list is Johnson & Johnson. Healthcare is a complex industry, but Johnson & Johnson is making it look effortless with digital transformation. By utilizing advanced data analytics, the company has been able to optimize their supply chain, minimize waste, and improve the quality of their products. This, in turn, has led to better outcomes for patients as well as increased competitiveness for the company. Johnson & Johnson is a prime example of how digital transformation can bring about positive change and impact the healthcare industry in a major way. Alright, let's look at our next example, Bosch. Bosch, a renowned engineering and technology company, is embracing big data analytics in their manufacturing processes. By analyzing vast amounts of data, Bosch has been able to identify areas of improvement in their production line and make informed decisions that have boosted productivity and reduced waste. Augmented reality and virtual collaboration tools have also been implemented, allowing for seamless communication with suppliers and customers, driving innovation and competitiveness. As you can see, these well-known brands are leveraging the power of digital transformation in manufacturing to drive innovation, increase competitiveness, and improve their bottom line. But this doesn't have to be limited to only these large names. You, as a small medium enterprise, could do similar things by utilizing the benefits of digital transformation and get ahead of the competition in your manufacturing business. The benefits of digital transformation in manufacturing are truly transformative, and these brands are a proof of their power and potential. But the question is, how can businesses get started with manufacturing digital transformation? Well, don't worry, it's not rocket science. In fact, it can be as simple as taking baby steps and slowly integrating technology and processes in your production line by assessing your current process. Take a step back and assess your current manufacturing process. Identify areas for improvement and opportunities for technology integration. Invest in technology you need to drive efficiency and collect data. From IoT devices to big data analytics software, technology is key to unlocking full potential of digital transformation. Another important way is by embracing automation. Automate as much as you can to reduce waste and inefficiencies. From automated production processes to predictive maintenance, automation can make a huge impact. The next important thing to do in digital transformation for manufacturing is cultivating a data-driven culture. Encourage your employees to embrace data-driven decision-making by taking advantage of wealth of information information available through digital technologies. By following these simple steps, businesses can start their digital transformation journey and reap the benefits of increased efficiency, competitiveness, and not only improve their bottom line, but also deliver better products and services to their customers. But what does the future of manufacturing digital transformation look like? Well, the good news is that the future is looking bright, with numerous exciting trends and advancements on the horizon. Here are the top trends that are shaping the manufacturing industry and driving next wave of innovation: AI, ML, and automation. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, into manufacturing processes is revolutionizing the way manufacturers approach production. Automation technologies are enabling factories to work smarter and more efficiently, reducing downtime to increasing productivity. The next trend is IIoT. The Industrial Internet of Things has taken manufacturing by a storm, connecting machines and devices in real time to drive efficiency and provide valuable insights. The IIoT allows manufacturers to monitor and control their production line remotely, making it possible to identify inefficiencies and quickly resolve issues. The next trend that we have that we're going to look forward to is industry clouds. Industry cloud solutions are becoming increasingly popular in manufacturing, providing scalable and secure solutions that are tailored specifically for the needs of manufacturing industry. These solutions are helping manufacturers to optimize their production line, reduce downtime, and increase productivity. The next trend that we're looking out for in manufacturing digital transformation is smart manufacturing. The term smart manufacturing refers to the use of data and analytics to drive intelligent decision-making in production process. By using data to inform decisions, manufacturers can identify and eliminate inefficiencies, reduce waste, and increase efficiency. The next trend is augmented and virtual reality. Augmented reality and virtual reality technologies are changing the way manufacturers approach training, collaboration, and product design. AR/VR allows manufacturers to experience and interact with their products in a virtual environment, improving the speed and accuracy of the product design and reducing the need for physical prototypes. The next trend is predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance is a key trend in digital transformation. Using data analytics to predict when maintenance is needed and avoiding unexpected downtime is extremely important. This technology helps manufacturers to reduce maintenance costs and improve reliability and uptime of their production line. Next trend is 5G technology. 5G technology is set to revolutionize the manufacturing industry, providing faster and more reliable connectivity for IoT and enabling real-time data transfer and analysis. With 5G, manufacturers can monitor and control their production line in real time, making it possible to respond to issues quickly and resolve problems before they cause significant downtime. And with that, our journey through the world of manufacturing digital transformation comes to an end. From the power of AI, ML, and automation to the rise of industry clouds and 5G technology, we have seen how transformative digital transformation can be in the world of manufacturing. But this is just the beginning. As technology continues to evolve and improve, so too will the opportunities for manufacturers to drive innovation, increase competitiveness, and deliver better products to their customers. The future of manufacturing is exciting and the possibilities are endless. So if you want to stay ahead of the curve and be a part of this exciting digital transformation journey, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, goodbye.